Step causes action.
Saan yung mga freebies?
March and Tazia, let's take a make you here in the center. Show everybody your final glowy bridal makeup look.
Ano, BYS? BLK?
O, di ba guys? Wait, where's the husband? Galuhan nyo this coming Burr months. Unahan nyo na sila para makaiwas kayo ng traffic. This coming Burr months, alam na natin lahat yan. So, take a...
Heart, forget ready with me. Yung para sa Kila ay. Mas may discount?
Regular price.
Regular price sila mo. Kasi tinatry mo.
Beauty is definitely more than skin deep. It's about how we capture.
Eyebrow pen. Try mo muna sa'yo. Try mo ulit, dali-dali.
It's all about embracing self-love.
Patingin pa. Oh, laban. Ito yan, di ba? Get ready with me. Brow pen. Ginagamit ni Heart. Ila. Ano bibili mo makeup? Eyeliner din. Bibili na? Saan?
When I started seeing results,
Pwede pa sila may pa-discount.
I really don't know why. I decided to get started with my own fitness coaching
Happy
business.
skin.
I started coaching clients.
Ano yung concealer? Check mo nga, bagong labas nila.
Ganun daw eh.
Ano kulay ng dugo mo?
Hindi yung... Pag ginanon mo yung ano mo,
Ah,
kung ano yung nearest.
yun yung blush na bagay sa'yo. Ah. Sobrang pink, pero Barbie pink.
Ay, oo nga.
Pero cute. Isang shade. Anong ano yan?
Sweet girl.
Parang mas universal yan.
Sweet girl.
Ay, maganda na yan, ma'am. Ano po siya? Multi-use po yun, no? Picture step.
Teacher's pen.
Setting niya lang ng phone.
Anong mauve yan ah?
Oo nga eh. Parang mas bet ko si It Girl.
Yung pangalawa? Na?
Isa siya ng It Girl.
Isa, ma'am. What else, ma'am?
Okay lang ako.
Sabi, ang daming tao. Teka lang, may na-abcd. Na lipstick. CD Cupid. Pero sa tingin mo, madaling matanggal yan.
Lip stain eh. So parang hindi masyado.
Ito man na ito, B&B. Ano maganda dito sa Dazzle Me? Parang hindi ko alam itong mga bagong makeup na to. So, kailangan siya i-follow. Go! Dazzle Me. Ay! Ay! So, setting spray yung maganda nila dito.
Parang yun yung medyo.
Bestseller. Yan. Anis.
Sinilip ko na.
Tote bag. Pa-heart.
actually a skin condition. So anyone, Solen, with any skin type can actually have sensitive skin. So pwedeng oily ka pero sensitive ka. Pwedeng oil dun sa fat sa skin natin. So kung gumagamit tayo ng sabon or
for your skin because as you were saying a
Tefe.
Itchiness, dryness, prone to
May freebies ba? Discounted ang Skin Defect.
blood as well, and it's really there to protect the skin.
Hi! Hello! Maganda kaya itong serum nila? Kojisan serum. Grabe, ang dami na palang variant ni Kojisan.
Alam ko sino yung mga manok nyo ha. Sa turo nyo kung ano yung answer. Okay. Question 1. What are the official brand colors of Watson's brand? Titingin na lang kayo guys ha. Ewan ko kung mali pa to. Titingin na lang kayo. Okay. Sa Watson's, is it red and white? Sa Switch, blue and white? Or sa Save, blue and red? Go! Uy! Ano ba? Titingin na lang kayo, guys! Ano ba? Ulit! Ano ba yung color ng brand? Red and white? Blue and white? Blue and red? Tingin na lang. Guys, tingin na lang. Tingin na lang sa paligid. Guys, question 1 pa lang to. Ano na? Question 1. Guys, buka ng mata. Ano ba? Okay, in 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is red and white. Watson! So thank you so much for joining. Out ka lang. Ano ba color to? Okay.
Kisha gel. Ayun, may pa freebie. Paano ba yan? Ano daw kailangan? Okay.
Pag wala, isa lang.
Go, go, go. Galing! Dalawa. Ano to? Cleanser ba to? Balm. Parang moisturizer. Skin analysis. May pa-birthday. Parang ayoko na pala. Malalaman ng edad. Parang doon na lang sa isa. Yung isa yata palang ganyan-ganyan. Meron din. Go, Mom! Mga pinamili mo. Dami na laman ng basket nyo, ah.
No, perfect. Konti lang. Ha? Hindi ko ito din ako puno-puno dito. Ito konti lang. So, pag gamit ka ng pressure focus in that area para mas ma-rest mo yung force. Mas less yung production. Spots.
Konti lang spots.
Siguro because it's concealed. So, hindi niya ma-detect yung pressure. But may last one, meron ka naman. So, yung natin
Isa pa lang yung may last one.
sunscreen dapat yung pabayaan. Kasi kung nag-worst yun, sila yung lumalaki. Kasi ang tawag na talagang deep down sa layer ng skin. More on sa forehead. So, ito sa siguro pag ito sa pinag, lumaman siya. Kung ano lang dito sa may lap line. Hindi masyadong kita, pero yun lang.
Ay, wala pa. Oh, sa mata pa
mas,
lang.
Mas maagang gamit ng anti-aging na super. Actually, usually puro mga acne scar lang. Nakita yun.
Sa ilong.
Naman lang. But since you also have yung cover ng powder na yun, baka pwede mo yun din yung ilalagay kasi. Usually vascular, ibig sabihin, detected lang yun na parang less yung intake mo ng water and sleep. Since nakita natin kanina, mababa yung moisture ng balat. So, we go for the general score. So, ito lang yung need mo naman i-address. Actually, wala namang red line dyan. So, tututusin, perfect pa yung skin analysis sa'yo. So, combination yung skin. Ano taon ka naman? 33? 36? 29 lang ang rin sa skin mo.
29.
Diba? Perfect.
29
So,
years old.
you just need to improve yung ano lang. Pero, very, very minimal. Pag gamit ka lang ng cleanser na nakaka-regulate ng oil, mabilis na. Simple. You can stand this para meron ka sariling copy.
CeraVe.
Ako pa rin, dapat ganun yung energy every time. Every time parang, siya pa rin! Ganon, ha? Okay. Guys, i-ready nyo na yung mga boses nyo kasi the brand that brings uncomplicated beauty is now taking over the stage. Guys, I want to hear the loudest screams you guys have ever... Teka lang! Guys, I want you to give the warmest welcome to the OG It Girl, the founder of BLK, and ang nag-iisang Diyosa ng Pilipinas, Miss Ann Curtis Smith! What's up, Fat Love Beauty? Hi, everyone! Grabe! Grabe yung Tili girl! Ay, nakaka-happy yung Tili. So sweet! Thank you so much, guys! Grabe. Actually, yung tonong yan, parang yung kapag kumakanta ka, ganyan rin. Actually, parang ganun din yung tono. I agree. Okay, and let's talk about BLK. Kasi syempre, everyone here knows 8 years.
I know, ang tagal na ng BLK. Almost 8 years na nga.
I know. Okay, so tell me about BLK and like looking back, what was the biggest surprise that you encountered in your beauty journey?
I think it's probably how much we've grown.
Yeah.
Talagang we've created a community of BLK lovers nationwide. So I think that's something that really surprised me with how fast it grew.
Yes. Girl, kahit ano namang i-launch mo, pak! Ganun talaga. Surprise ka pa nun Pero guys, show of hands. Sino dito mahilig sa BLK? Grabe!
Thank you.
Actually, guys, you definitely have to drop by the booth later.
Yes, I'll be
Kasi-
passing by later. Our booth.
Oh! Dadaan daw.
To make it more youthful and reach out to a wider market and community. As I said, we have our loyal community now, but we wanted to have a branding that would be timeless and reach out to a wider market. So we decided to do that, and that went hand in hand with the products we were creating.
Okay. So,